And welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on revision exercises part 2. We're just revising some of the work we've done in the last few slides. So here's the first slide with a few problems on it, and I'll leave it on for 15 or 20 seconds. And you can pause it at any time. You can write the answers down at your leisure on a piece of paper or anywhere else. So for each slide I will just pause it for a short while, and you can pause it for as long as you want, and we'll see the answers at the end. And this is the second slide, and I'll keep that there for a little while. You can pause the video anytime you want. And this is the third slide before we move on to the answers. So the answers begin on the next slide, and here they are. So you can pause this slide, as I said before, for as long as you want to check your answers before we move on to the next one. And that's the second slide with answers. And this is the last slide with the answers.